just you and me.
Okay, what do you want for breakfast?
Some French toast.
French toast. You want the French toast you got. Just put up a little water for Daddy. Have some coffee. And we got how many eggs? 2 for you and 2 for me.
Yep.
We got milk. We got butter. We got $5. I got $5 here. You sit here. Okay, and you'll be my #1 helper. Okay, now watch this. One-handed. Here we go.
Did you know that all the best chefs are men? I bet you didn't know that, did you?
Isn't this terrific?
This is terrific. We got to do this more often.
You got some shell in there.
It's all right. Makes it crunchier that way. You like your French toast crunchy, don't you? All right, I'll tell you what. Why don't you beat them?
And I'll get everything else going. What time do you have to be in school?
8:30.
We got to get this show on the road because I got to shower and shave and shampoo my hair.
And I got people to see.
And Daddy's got to bring home the bacon. Not only does he bring home the bacon, but he's got to cook it too, doesn't he?
We're having a good time.
Now, where's Mommy keep the
In the stove.
pan? The stove. Okay.
First thing we need is a nice hot fire.
No, you're not doing it right. Come here. You're not doing it right. Look, you got to do it fast. See? It's the wrist.
So the gucky part gets dissolved. Then you take the bread and we
fold it. That's what we do. We fold the French toast.
I think you forgot the milk.
I didn't. Milk comes last. You always got to put the milk in last. When you're having a good time, you forget the most important thing, right? I just want to see if you were paying attention. It's been a long time since I made this. That's fun, isn't it? When's the last time Mommy let you in the kitchen?
I don't like it when it's in pieces.
Look, French toast tastes the same whether it's in pieces or whether it's whole. I mean, bread is bread, you know?
Besides, what you don't know is that French toast is always folded. You go into the best restaurants anywhere in the world and you see folded French toast. You get more bites that way, right?
And while that's going, Daddy's gonna make a little bit of coffee for himself. You having a good time?
Are you?
All right, we're having a great time. I don't remember the last time I ever had such a good time. Daddy's gonna make himself a little coffee.
It's too much coffee.
No. I like it strong, and Mommy always makes it too weak.
Can I have some orange juice?
Orange juice, right. Right, one OJ coming up. For the kid.
Daddy, it's burning. It's burning.
What?
It's burning.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, damn it! Oh, God damn her!
Just take it easy. It's fine. We're terrific. It's gonna be terrific. Just take it easy. Just take it easy. Nothing's the matter.